Dimapur Sporting Club Soccer Schools Academy pra organized Korea AFC Grassroots Football Clinic duita de 50 players laga opor aishe. Edu clinic to Mojabi Futsal Turf Salangtum Ward Mokokchong pra lushe May 29 or 30 de. Club laga proprietor Yongsin pra kushi ki mota aro maiki players kan bi ahya bishi kushi paishe aro Mokokchong District Football Association aro clubs pra support dia nimide thanks junaishe. Yongsin kushi ki tai kan first phase te Mokokchong aro Wokha de coaching academy kholabole mon ase aro litu pichide alag districts kan de. Dimapur Sporting Club Soccer Schools Academy laga Dimapur de 3ta aro Chumuketi mari 2ta center ase aro under 13 laga 5ta players Bundesliga trial Germany nimide select hushe.
We're having a free coaching camp in Mokokchong for 2 days. It's 29 and 30th. And the basic vision for this free coaching camp is we want to open up a center here in Mokokchong. So, and the turn up has been very wonderful right now. I think it's more than 50 students. So hopefully by next month, once the enrollment and registration is done, we would love to start the centers here because a lot of kids want to come to Dimapur to train, but it's too far for them. So what we thought was to change of plan was to have centers in most of the districts. So we came up, before we came to Mokokchong, we first came to Wokha and we had 2 days coaching camp also. That was on 27th and 28th, right? And now we are here in Mokokchong, 29th and 30th. So, like I said, a resounding response, good turnout. Our club was founded in the year 2018, but our academy project started in 2020. And since then, our first academy was based in Dimapur, Birmingham Center. And so far, we have right now 5 centers, 3 in Dimapur and 2 in Chumukdima. And we'll be following up 1 in Wokha and here in Mokokchong. So the main goal for this was to have academy centers in every district, hopefully, so that we can pouch and get the best players from every district and put them in Dimapur. That's what we want to do at the moment. Till now, how many students we have in our academy? Initially when we started with 11 students, and so far in our record, I think we have registered more than 400 students. Yeah. And how we do our operation is we have coaches in every center. So every coach takes care of their center, and the person who takes care of the operation is the operation manager. So that's how we operate our daily basis. So it makes, because the responsibility is taken by the coaches with the help of the operation manager. That's how we run. Yeah. Free coaching camp, the main thing is to let them understand how the coaching is done, the process. Because I'm sure a lot of people in these 2 districts we had gone, Wokha and Mokokchong, they might not have the basic understanding of how coaching is done. So that's why we wanted to also give an understanding of a platform. And also, after the main goal is to have an academy here is because we want to also get our partners and clubs who are in the I-League and ISL so that they can come also for the trials. So that the best kids can also get scouted. So that was also an opportunity for them to also get a chance to see the real football, the professional level. That's also one of the visions. And other part also why we're doing in a futsal turf is because according to the AFF rules, they have age category plus this ground size. So 13 below is 7 aside. So we thought this is the perfect size for the smaller kids, for 13 and below kids. And other part of our plan is to have a bigger ground as well. That's for the bigger boys. And that is for the 14 and above students, 11 aside ground. Recently we had a tie-up with Big Hit, that's AG's with Bundesliga. So that was, we had a trials in Chumukdima, that was under 13 Bundesliga trials. From there 5 students got selected to go to Germany, and they'll be traveling to Mumbai tomorrow. And on 1st or 2nd they'll be flying to Germany. So that's a really good story for us, and it's a historic moment for Nagaland as well. So 5 kids going to Germany and experiencing the professional level of football in Germany. It'll be a memory for them to remember. So yeah, so that is a small story from our side. Yeah. So we just want to thank the proprietor of this ground, Mojabi Ground, and also to the local association, Mokokchong District Football Team, for also helping us to make this event a success. Yeah. Thank you so much.